Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be doing a review of a brand new product called Charm. It's a product by Billy Darfin Goswami and Justin Opay. It actually releases on Wednesday the 13th of October at 11 AM EST. I'm actually going to take you into the back office so you can have a look at exactly how it's set up, what you can expect if you decide to buy this product and how it actually works, and more importantly, if it actually does work. I'm also going to go over the sales page because these sales pages are designed in a particular way, which is to entice people that are relatively new to affiliate marketing by promising them the earth and not necessarily delivering on what they promise. So we're just going to have a look at what this product is actually supposed to be delivering to you. I'm also going to go into the costs, the OTOs, so you know what to expect if you decide to buy the product. And then very last, I'm going to give you my opinion as to whether or not I think you should be using this system. So what is what is Charm? Well, Charm is the world's first autopilot Quora machine. So it gets its free viral traffic in 26 seconds, and it's utilizing a traffic source from Quora. You may or may not know what Quora is, but effectively this is a question and answer site where you can go in and answer questions that are being asked, and it is actually a really great form of traffic, and it's something that you can take advantage of without having to buy any products to do that. So you just basically need to go to Quora, set your own account up, learn to set it up in a particular way, and in fact if you click the link in the top right corner of the screen, I'll actually take you to a video where I'll talk you through how to actually set your profile up the correct way to make sure you can start utilizing this platform. But the idea of Quora is there's lots of people answering questions and asking questions. It gives you the opportunity for you to come in and answer questions that people are actually asking on the fly. So Quora ranks really well in Google. You can basically go in, answer questions, and then lead them from here onto affiliate offers. And that's basically what this product is supposed to do. Now it says here it's a one-click autopilot viral traffic. Early users are seeing insane results. You can attain financial peace of mind, no tech skills no extra costs. And I just want to highlight that bit because when you actually go into the back office, you'll see that you will need to have a level of technical know-how to actually put the system into action. And then it talks about the usual: you can quit your job, travel, and be free, etc., etc. So if you don't get results, you get paid $500. So they're saying to you, if you use this system and you utilize it but don't get what they say they're going to give you, they'll give you $500, which is brilliant. And if anyone actually takes them up on that offer, I'd be really interested to know about it. So leave a comment below so I know. So the system basically is all around Quora, and they go into how they're actually using the system to generate lots of money by using this system. And they say it's as easy that even your 92-year-old grandma could actually do this. Two-step process: you activate the system and enjoy the free traffic pouring in within 26 seconds, and then they give you the usual hype of big cars and all the rest of it, along with some proofs and how you've been failing for such a long time, and this product's going to solve that question. So the usual thing: use your own common sense and just think to yourself, can you buy a product, which we'll talk about the cost of, which is relatively low to get involved with, and see instant results in 26 seconds in anything in life? Probably not. But let's actually go into the back office and see what you're going to get. So when you actually log in, you get taken to the dashboard. The first two tabs are the most important. So we've got a support desk. So if I actually click on the support desk, it does take you to the same page. In fact, if you actually click the training page, it also takes you back to the same page. So I'm just assuming it's just that it's not gone live yet, so maybe not all these links are actually working. So there is no real training as such that I can see currently, but you're taken to this dashboard. In here you can actually go in and connect, or at least choose the offers that you want to promote to your audience via Quora. So you can search through Warrior Plus deals, ClickBank, and then actually go and take a look at sales pages, and then you can go and grab those deals. Again, if you're new to affiliate marketing, Warrior Plus and places like that are very difficult for you to get accepted if you haven't had any success in the past, and quite often they'll ask you to at least have 50 sales behind you before they'll even take you as an affiliate. So just bear that in mind. ClickBank's a lot easier. They tend to take it, well, you don't have to do anything other than apply your own username, or nickname I should say, and then you can create a hot link. So you can go in and choose ClickBank. Then you've got the Quora questions. Now this tab here allows you to go in and basically add questions that you want to add to Quora, because this is a question and answer site. So you can go in, post questions for other people to answer, and then you can gain some readership and obviously get some feedback from other people on the platform. So effectively, you're going to start interacting with other people on Quora. Then you've got the Quora links. This is where you go and create your links. So you get the option to actually, once you've chosen your product that you want to promote, you can come in and choose templates, whether it be landing pages, checkout pages, whatever it is that you want to be able to send your visitors to, you can come in here. So if I choose landing pages, for example, and then choose landing pages, and again, it's not actually doing anything. Let's take a different category, checkout page. Okay, it's giving me a checkout page. Let me just try that again. No, it's not giving me a landing page as such. Okay, well, you can go in these, and again, I'm assuming this will be working when this goes live tomorrow. Let's have a look at sign up pages. Okay, it does give me something there. So you can go into any of these pages here, and then this is an editor, so it allows you to edit this. So you can go into each of these sections, you can change what you want it to say, how it appears, you can add text and other things to this system, so you can effectively edit it to how you want it to look, and then you can go in here and change all these widgets as well. Once you've done that, you can just download. It asks you if you're okay to download it, and once you've done it, that's your link effectively, although I don't think it is, because that's not today's date, which is very odd. So if I click that link and copy it, let's just see where it takes me. So it's taken me to a 404 page not found. So I don't think that is currently working either. It may well be working tomorrow, but as it stands now, it just doesn't seem to be working. But effectively, you create your links, you can go into your reports, and this is where your links will be stored here. You also have a URL shortener. This allows you to shorten the URL. So once you've created your links or your landing pages, you can then go ahead and shorten those links to make them look a bit better. Perhaps put hyphenate it with a keyword that you recognize. But again, these shorteners you can get from just going to Bitly or go to Rebrandly anyway. Social Blast, this is where you're going to get your traffic. This is where they say you're going to get your traffic within 26 seconds, was it? They said 26 seconds. And the reason you're going to get that traffic is not just from Quora, but you can share your Quora page on all these platforms. So we've got platforms like Facebook. If you don't have an audience on Facebook, not many people are going to see them. You've got Pinterest, Twitter. Again, if you've got a following, great. If you haven't, no one's going to see those offers other than the people that you post your answers to on Quora. Then you've got WhatsApp, which is a messenger service, which you need permission from the person you have the number from before you can send it, unless, like most people, it's just your friends and family, in which case are you going to want to send these offers to your friends and family. Things like Evernote, we've seen products like this before. Evernote is purely a site where you can then save links and pages from the internet. It's a tool for you to be able to keep more organized effectively. Then you've got email, you've got Blogger, which is a blogging site, so you can't really share anything on that unless you're going to set your blog up. You've got Quora itself, which is what the platform is based on, and there are various other things that you just cannot share your links on. So things like Amazon, if I click Amazon, you can't share this link with Amazon. So I don't quite know why that's in there. So effectively, this is your social share. This is where you're going to get all your traffic from, other than when you post to Quora Direct. And if we go and have a look at the other tabs here, we've got Quora hashtags, Quora automation. Now Quora hashtags is it's actually using trending hashtags, so topics that are of interest to people that are actually looking for certain topics. And if we have a look here, we've got affiliate marketing, we've got buy charm. Well, that's a great that's psychology. That's going to get you to buy it. But effectively, you can search here. So if I did affiliate marketing, or just put affiliate, and let's just see what comes up with anything. So you got affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. So they're the hashtags. Again, I don't know what you're going to do with that. So you can download all of these keywords and then use them as hashtags on any of the posts that you put out. You've got Quora automation. Now this allows you to automate some of the replies that you can send to people that actually comment on anything that you've done. So if I create a template, you can give it a campaign name. You can then use a message. If I just say, hi, thanks for connecting, and then create that campaign. So success. So that should have created that. Follow me, ClickBank, and I can't actually see it. So it's not there. So if I go to Quora backlinks, that's really odd. It's not letting me do that either. So I don't see how this one's working either. Yeah, so this doesn't seem to be working. So again, perhaps this will be fixed by tomorrow. Okay, so I've managed to get this to actually work. So you basically come to the automation template, you can then create a template, you give it a campaign name, which I didn't do in the first place. So if I put test 2, then you can add your automated reply. So thanks for connecting. Then you can add more messages. Check this out. And then you create that campaign. So it's done that, and you can see it's test 2, and this is it. And then you can choose this template when you want to actually send any messages out. You've got the backlink checker, which again, I don't really understand what you would use this for, because this effectively allows you to be able to see sites backlinks. But then what do you do with those backlinks? So you can see here there's some that people have done. They've done Quora. Project management tools, you can see it's been successful, so you can click here, choose the data, custom range, I'll just do last 30 days, apply, but then I can't actually do anything with it, so it's not actually letting me do anything with it. So if I do a new scan, so if I choose a domain, which is asking for, put your domain in here, so if I put google.com and then click generate. It's going to take a few minutes, so I will pause. Okay, that doesn't seem to want to work either. I even stopped it and changed it to a Quora link in case it was just literally going to be scraping Quora backlinks, but that's not doing anything. So I don't really know what that's supposed to do for you, so I'll get rid of that. And then here we've got connect your Facebook and Instagram accounts. So this is where you can connect your Facebook and Instagram, and then you can share the pages that you've created using the Quora link tool to do your landing pages, etc. You can then share them on Facebook via multimedia posts, call to action posts, carousel and video posts, basically all the things you can do within Facebook anyway, but you can do it from within this tool, and then you can share those links with your audience on Facebook if you have an audience or a group of some description. Otherwise, again, it's not going to get you any traction. And again, you've got some reply templates here and automation tools that you can allow you to automate those for you. Then you've got the same thing for Instagram. It's exactly the same. You can do the same thing. You've got RSS auto posting, which again, I don't really know why you would need this, because this basically drags in content. So an RSS feed is a web feed that allows users and applications to access updates to websites in a standardized computer readable format. So you're going to pull content in and then put that somewhere. Now, if you don't have a website, you're obviously not going to be able to put it anywhere, and as it stands, there isn't anywhere for you to actually connect this unless you have a website yourself, which is another part of the tool. But as we've gone through this, if I go back to the very sales page, it says here that it's a two-step process. So step 1, you enter the website or affiliate link that you want to send traffic to, and step 2, you enjoy the free autopilot viral traffic pouring in 26 seconds. Even a 90-year-old grandma can do that, but I'm pretty sure you can see just by what I've gone through so far, it is not as simple as that, and we're still not finished. So depending on which level you get in on the product, this is all the front end product, but if you decide to upgrade, you've got an email autopilot as well, so you can connect your autoresponder. So you will have to pay for an autoresponder if you don't already have one, and again, the sales page says that you don't need that because there's no extra cost. If you remember here, I think it says here no extra costs, so you will have to connect your autoresponder. And again, you can connect your email campaigns. You've got email templates, you can do email sequences as well. SMS autopilot, so if you want to be able to send messages via SMS campaigns, so mobile numbers, again, you need to be able to get a list of numbers of people that are happy to receive your messages, because if they're not, then you are basically breaking the law. So you have to be careful. And if you are just going to send it to people are they going to be interested in the offers that you send them? So just bear that in mind. You've got an e-commerce autopilot tool which allows you to create a store. Again, you know, this is outside the scope of just driving traffic from Quora, so I don't quite know how that fits in. But again, this does not look like something that's very easy for someone that's brand new and not very tech savvy to come in and be able to create those stores. It's a lot harder than just coming in and taking 2 steps and then off you go. Then you've got a messenger for WooCommerce. Again, this is WooCommerce is a platform for you to be able to host websites and stores, e-commerce stores. And then you've got a website comparison tool which allows you to compare 2 different websites to see you know, how they compete. And then what you'll do with that data, again, I really don't know. But going through all this, I'm sure you can see that it's not as simple as you getting autopilot traffic in 26 seconds. It's not a one-click autopilot traffic, viral traffic app at all. You do need some technical skills, and you do need some extra tools if you want to take advantage of things like the autoresponder. So how much does it cost for you to get the Quora machine? Well, the cost of the product itself is $17. You've got a further 5 upsells. A limited edition is $39, and that means you get multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales, but you sort of get that with the front end products. I don't quite get that. The done for you edition is $197, and that gives you done for you traffic and sales. They'll do that for you. Upsell number 3 is the automated edition. That's $39, and that activates all of the automation tools, so you get all of the tools that you'd seen in that back office. Upsell number 4 is the done for you template club. That's $197, and then upsell number 5 is the 50 click and go campaigns, which is $39, and they'll give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok as well. So that's the actual funnel. So it's not a cheap product, and from what you've seen, you know, there are some caveats as to whether or not you can use this type of software if you don't know what you're doing. So what's my final opinion of the product? Well, it does produce a page that you can then use to send traffic to. The problem with the whole system itself is it's not user friendly at all. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, you're going to find this quite difficult to use. It's not as simple as just 2 clicks and you can get on and use it. The traffic sources that it's saying that you can share your links with, it's the usual suspects. So it's Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. If you have no following on these platforms, no one's going to see your Quora links anyway. Quora itself is a great platform to use to drive traffic. It's simple as that. But to use these tools within this product, if I'm completely honest, you don't need it. Just go to Quora. Set up a profile. You can simply type in the type of keywords you want to actually target and go in and answer those questions with proper real human interaction, and then link them to products and services. But you have to follow some certain rules, and as I said at the beginning of the video, which I'll leave in the description, you have to follow a certain formula. So why not do that? This product, for $17, which we've seen doesn't particularly work very well. It's clunky. It may well suddenly start working tomorrow. We'll check it out, and if it has started to work, I'll do an update to this video. But as it stands, I just don't think it's going to deliver on what they say it's going to deliver. These guys here, they're showing you how much money how much money they make by using products and services, and I have no doubt they make this kind of money. But it's not by selling you, or it's not by using this system, it's by them selling you products like this. As you can see, Billy Dar's released lots of different products over this year, and all of them promise the same kind of thing. You can buy the products, it's a 3-step process, and you'll start making a killer income online. If that was the case, they'd just continue to use whatever product it is that they've launched, because you can see here there's lots of different products, and if each one of these did exactly what they promised on the tin, then they wouldn't need to release all these different products, because they'd just continue to stick with what they know works, and in this case, this Quora machine. So that's my honest opinion. If this is your first time to my channel, and you want to follow on when I put other content out all around products and services to help you make a better informed decision, because I've bought lots of these products myself, then subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I put new content out. And look guys, if you're looking at this, you are looking at ways to build an income online. If you genuinely want to understand how how to build a proper evergreen business in affiliate marketing. There's a completely free click-by-click course that you can follow along with in the description below, so I'd encourage you to go and check that out. So appreciate you taking the time. Until next time, my name's Sean from Affiliate Income Hero, and I'll speak to you soon.